We have here a villa that was recently reduced in price. Please stick around for more details. Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come away to this 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom paradise at the Bell Air Seaview. It is nestled in the cool and quiet town of Discovery Bay, St. Anne. It sits on a 1/3 acre of land. The unit has a breathtaking view of the mountains, city, and ocean, and comes equipped with a gazebo, pool, solar water heater, electric gate, and water tanks. This exquisite home is located just a few minutes from Puerto Seco Beach, Dunn's River Falls, and other attractions. This 3-floor unit is the perfect place to call home. Use as an investment property or vacation home. The first and second floors have their own access and driveway. Call now for details on how to view and submit an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this villa is US $800,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.